Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle. And if you'd like to see more of these insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today, the focus is going to be on Verizon. And what Toggle is basically highlighting is that the PE has reached a level that historically has preceded a pretty significant rally in the price afterwards. In fact, at around starting point of just below 55 here, the median price increase would see it go to about 60. And of course, the usual 52-point mark is where the odds of this paradigm still holding are substantially reduced. Scrolling down a little bit further, you can also see that actually the occasions, there have been 14 previous distinct episodes where PE was this low. They generally have, and you can confirm this visually, really preceded quite meaningful rallies. So it's something that's definitely worth taking a look. Now, typically, as you know, this is just the incremental bit the Toggle is highlighting. So what is always worth checking with is to do the full 360 the Toggle allows you to do. So inserting Verizon in here and clicking on this will take you to this screen where you'll be able to see everything that Toggle is pulling together about Verizon specifically. So in addition to the insights about PE and the earnings yield, it's also highlighting that actually right up to this point, the system has been quite bearish Verizon, and correctly so, as you can see that there's been price pressure all the way down to 54. And so right now, this is a bit of a change saying that we've probably come far enough that the valuations are now starting to look quite a bit more attractive. Switching back to the original article, it's also worth taking a look at the very end where we look at the risk reward. And so what the last chart typically tells you is that you can see quite a meaningful skew in expected returns for the stock whenever PE has been this low, and also the distribution of outcomes. You can see that occasionally the stock has rallied even as much as 25, 30%, and the downside is really quite low. So there is a really, really compelling risk reward profile for something like this. And so again, in the context of everything else the Toggle is uncovering, it's definitely worth taking a look. So much for Verizon today. In our daily brief, we also discuss the milestone that has been reached in the fight against the pandemic and what the IMF is currently forecasting for US growth for 2021, which would be the best outcome since at least 1984. If you have the daily brief in your mailbox, please open it up. If you don't, you can subscribe at toggle.global. Otherwise, we will see you again tomorrow. Thank you for your attention and good luck trading.